HeyGen versus Creatify. HeyGen is an AI video creation platform focused on producing high-quality text-to-video content using realistic AI avatars, voice synthesis, multilingual support, and templated workflows. It's designed for creators, marketers, and brands who want speaking presenter-style videos without cameras or actors. So let's talk about the pros. It is user-friendly with an interface that makes the video creation accessible even without technical skills. It also offers extensive AI avatar library with multilingual voice options. It has script-to-video workflow that can produce polished talking head videos quickly, which is great for explainer, presenter, and multilingual content. The cons is though, the free plan is limited because you need to have a paid plan for serious use. Customization options are also more limited compared to tools with full scene level editing, and it is best suited for avatar-led videos, which may not be ideal for authentic, UGC, or native-style social content. So overall, let's talk about Creatify first. So Creatify is an AI-powered video creation tool aimed at a marketing team and social media creators, especially for generating the UGC-style videos. It has a branded ads and customizable AI avatar content. Now for the pros, it offers strong creative flexibility with deeper customizations of scenes, branding, and storytelling. It also supports AI avatars, UGC-style videos generations in the same workflow. It offers built-in tools for multi-format outputs and a brand-consistent template. It also is designed for teams with shared workspaces and collaboration features. However, the cons is the pricing in the credit-based systems can be harder to manage and more expensive for heavier use. It may have less extensive multilingual voice support other than the avatar-focused platforms like HeyGen, and the learning curve can be steeper due to scene and brand management features. So overall, choose HeyGen if you want a quick, polished avatar-led videos with broad language support, and choose Creatify if you're looking for a video-focused, social-centric brand consistency and ad content for UGC style. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.